join us on a journey that captures the unyielding spirit of India witnessed by this iconic fort. Presenting Jai Hind, the Red Fort sound.
I have traveled a long, long way. I am vast, infinite, endless. I am a silent witness to the world. I contain many stories. I am not the story. I am the storyteller himself. For I am time. Time. Today, all of you are giving me your precious time. So you are gifting your time to time itself? In return, I give you 400 years. 400 years of this majestic and historic Red Fort. This is the same Delhi, the Delhi that was destroyed, then rebuilt again 7 times. From the Tomars to the Mamluks, the Khiljis to the Tughlaqs, the Sayyids to the Lodhis, every dynasty ruled India from Delhi. For centuries power. Legend has it that some 5,000 years ago, near the old fort, not too far from here, existed Indraprastha, the capital of the Pandavas, as told in our epic Mahabharata. Centuries later, there came a time when the Mughal Empire flew its flag high above these walls. For strategic reasons, Emperor Shah Jahan shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi, built this great fort, and ruled his empire from here. There were times when the fort echoed with the sweet sounds of music and poetry, and times when it reverberated with cannon fire and the clashing of swords. There were times when the fort was attacked and looted. Who knows what these bricks have witnessed? Who knows the burdens they had to bear? Who knows the stories they have to tell? This Red Fort, this Lal Qila, braved it all, and is standing strong even against me, against mighty time itself. For 400 years these walls have stood, fearless and tall, and today the Red Fort is a powerful symbol of India's unity and strength. Yes, this is the same Red Fort in which the fight for India's freedom began in 1857. And this is the same Red Fort from which India's tricolour flag continues to be hoisted proudly since our independence in